everyone, and welcome to Success Stories. Today we are presenting an inspiring success story of our time. Today we are talking about Zaha Hadid, a famous architect from Iraq and the United Kingdom. She has inspired many people around the world with her creativity and hard work. In this program, we are going to talk about her life story, her achievements, and the lessons we have learned from her success. Zaha Hadid was born in Baghdad, Iraq in 1905. She studied mathematics first and later studying architecture in London. She has worked very hard since she started her career. She has already designed many innovative buildings around the world. Her unique talent is strong personality have helped her become one of the most important architects. She is in modern history. Zaha Hadid has won many international awards. For example, she won the Pritzker Architecture Prize in 2004 because of her creativity designs. She has designed famous buildings, shows are monuments, cultural centers, and studying. In addition, she has taught architecture in important universities. She has achieved great success in a field where many women have faced challenges. On the other hand, she has never stopped working and learning. Her projects have taught modern architectures, and she has inspired many young architects around the world. Zaha Hadid's story has taught us that we must believe in our ideas and continue working even when people don't. He has shown us the creativity and perseverance every are very important because success takes time and effort. In conclusion, Zaha Hadid with a visionary architecture, she changes the world with her talent and determination. Thank you for attention. See you later.